esteemed day's dignitaries on and off the virtual platform, distinguished chief guest of the day, His Excellency Professor Ganeshi Lal, Honorable Governor of Odisha, Shri Sarat Chandra Mishra, revered Chairman, DAV Public School, Chandrasekharpur, Shri Madan Mohan Panda, revered Chairman, DAV Public School, Kalinganagar, Chairman of all the sister concerned schools, our very own respected Principal, Sir, Dr. K.C. Satpathy, come Regional Officer, DAV Public Schools, Odisha Zone 1. Most respected Dr. Sujata, Principal, DAV Public School, Pork Report, come Assistant Regional Officer, Odisha Zone 1. Honorable Principals and Heads of DAV schools and all the CBSE schools, esteemed members of Managing Committee, School Managing Committee, esteemed members of the Parents Teachers Coordinating Committee, valued parents, respected supervisors, teachers of sister schools and my school, media personals, and my dear loving children. I take the honor and pleasure of inviting you to join us on this blissful moment of celebrating the Foundation Day of DAV Public School Chandrasekharpur on the virtual platform. Heal the atmosphere, and the healed atmosphere will heal you. The Vedic tradition of performing the holy Havan has always enhanced the energy of the Davians, and the electromagnetic waves generated not only makes the environment healthy, but also pure and progressive. It spreads positivity in the surrounding air and creates a pure nutritional and medicinal impact. As customary, let us begin the day with the holy Havan. Let the thermal energy of the fire
आराष्ट्रे राजन्यसुरः ईशोऽभ्योते व्याधिमहारथो जायताम् दुग्ध्रे धेनुर्बोढानवानसो स्वस्तेः पुरन्दरजोषाजिषुनो पुरन्ध्रे जोषाजिषुनो रथेशा सतयो जुवास्यः यजमानश्च वीरो जायताम् निकामे निकामेन पर्जन्यो वर्षतो फलवत्यो न औषधयः पचन्त्यः योगक्षमो न कल्पयताम्।
ओम समानिवः आकृति समाना हृदयानिवः समानमस्तु मनो यथावः सुसहासति।
ओम संगिन आपो धन्वन्याः समसन्तो अनुप्याः संज्ञाः खनित्रिमा आपः समोजाः कुम्भ आब्रोता शिवानः सन्तो वार्षिकाः। अथः सन्ते पाठ ॐ द्यो शान्तिरन्तरिक्षं शान्तिः पृथिवी शान्तिरापः शान्तिरोषधयः शान्तिः वनस्पतयः शान्तिर्विश्वे देवाः शान्तिर्ब्रह्म शान्तिः सर्वं शान्तिः शान्तिरेव शान्तिः सामा शान्तिरेधे। हरिः ॐ। सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्। सर्वेषां शान्तिर्भवतु सर्वेषां मङ्गलं भवतु सर्वेषां सर्वं शान्तिर्भवतु। हरि ओम्। सुख सागर से तरे यज्ञ के उपकार को धर्म मर्यादा चलाकर लाभ दे संसार को। नित्य श्रद्धा भक्ति से यज्ञादि हम करते रहे रोग पीड़ित विश्व के संताप सब हरते रहे। भावना मिट जाए मन से पाप अत्याचार की कामनाएं पूर्ण होवे यज्ञ से नर नारी लाभकारी हो हवन हर प्राणधारी के लिए वायु जल सर्वत्र हो सुगंध को धारण किए। स्वार्थ भाव मिटे हमारा प्रेम पथ विस्तार हो। इदन मम का साथ को प्रत्येक में व्यवहार। हाथ जोड़ झुकाए मस्तक वंदना हम कर रहे। नाथ करुणा रूप करुणा आपके सब पर रहे। यज्ञ रूप प्रभु हमारे भाव उज्जवल कीजिए। छोड़ देवे छल कपट को मानसिक बल दीजिए। प्रभु मानसिक बल दीजिए। प्रभु मानसिक बल दीजिए।
Thank you, everybody, for connecting with us virtually for the pious performance. It was indeed a feeling of coming together in these times of maintaining social distance. May the Almighty provide us with all those showers that we need to protect ourselves from every evil doing. May the divine light always surround us. May the hope kindle and rebound us. May our heart embrace feelings for others. May truth prevail and virtue triumph. Thank you. Thank you so much for joining us. Thank you so much for joining us. It is a moment of immense pride and glory to have the chief guest of the day, His Excellency, Professor Ganeshi Lal, Honorable Governor of Odisha, the first citizen of the state, connected to us on virtual reality. So, abiding by the protocols, may I request the august audience to rise up for the national anthem. The national anthem begins.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा। विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा। तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे। गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
Thank you. Please be seated. Now, on behalf of the honorable guest of the day, His Excellency, the Honorable Governor of Odisha, I request our revered Chairman, Sir, Shri Sarat Chandra Mishra, to light the divine lamp. I also request the day's persons to escort Sir for kindling the light on this propitious occasion of our Foundation Day. Sir and ma'am, please.
संजाते अग्नौ प्रज्वलितं दीपं दीपाज्वती नाशयते तमः। याच्वती ज्ञानम् उदयकारकम् नमामः देव त्रितापहारकम्। नमामः देव त्रितापहारकम्। ॐ शान्तिः ॐ शान्तिः ॐ शान्तिः।
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Time unfolds beauty, wonder, and identity to reveal the auspicious tapestry of life. It is not the beauty of a building one looks at. It is the construction of the foundation that stands the test of time. Today, my heart leaps with joy when I stand under the canopy of this pious platform to resound the stimulating saga of success ever since the foundation on the sun-kissed day of 4th August 1989. It was a magical moment indeed, when a piece of barren land of a few acres was inaugurated by the then Chief Minister, Shri Biju Patnaik, in the presence of the founder chairman, Engineer B.C. Patnaik, who conceptualized the Red Building to provide quality education. Quality education which brought an educational bonanza for the people of Odisha. Shri Patnaik vested the responsibility of execution and implementation on the founder principal, Dr. K.C. Satpathy, our own principal. Needless to mention, this Red Building stands tall with unmatchable glory on the firmament of education. With unbound pleasure and pride, I steal the opportunity to reflect on the synergy of its social and cultural legacy, aligned with the rich academic excellence, its present commitments, and futuristic perspectives. As days passed, months moved, and years rolled by, This sacred building slowly turned out to be an industry of human resources, the nerve center of reformation and regeneration of quality education. This quality profile has extended across the state under the dynamic mentorship of Dr. Satpathy as the regional officer of DAV Public School, Odisha Zone 1. Leading with a missionary spirit, with a commitment, with a direction, and with a coordinated effort, the essence of the vision, Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, harmoniously infused into all the designs of the school and beyond, both in its curricular and co-curricular transactions. The journey has begun and the destination rests on all the stakeholders. A peep into the 32 years treasure trove ranges from the unmatchable kindergarten activities to the formidable acquisition of core competencies of the emerging youth. We owe these moments of grandeur and glory to all the stakeholders of the school right from the inception of the school in 1989. And to take you through these 32 years of journey, let me invite on stage Dr. Daisy Rani Mishra from the Department of Hindi to know your school. Daisy ma'am, could you please let us know more about our school?
धन्यवाद मैम। सारे सुधीजनों को मेरा नमस्कार। चीर प्रणम्य पुण्य मुक्त चेतना उमंग, तरुण अरुण चैतन्य वैभव आत्म गौरव। परिचय, मेरा परिचय। जन्म 4 अगस्त 1999, उत्कल की पुण्य एकाम्र नगरी भुवनेश्वर के चंद्रशेखरपुर में। कर्णधार इंजीनियर वीरेंद्र चंद्र पटनायक और सूत्रधार डॉक्टर केशव चंद्र सतपथी। चलो आज मैं कुछ बताना चाहती हूँ। जानते हो आज मेरा जन्मदिन है। मेरे घर मेहमान आए हैं। वो है हमारे राज्य के मुख्य पुरोधा महामहिम प्रोफेसर गणेशी लाल जी। आपकी उपस्थिति ने मेरे गरिमा को और मजबूत बनाया। माननीय महोदय, मेरा प्रणाम स्वीकार करें। वैदिक साहित्य में नींव को धर्म के बराबर माना गया है। वैदिक नियमों के मुताबिक अगर आप धर्म पर चलते हैं तो वह आपकी रक्षा करता है। यही सत्य है, क्योंकि देवी तो एक विचारधारा है। विचारों की शक्ति वस्तुतः उसके उद्गम स्थल पर निर्भर करती है। उसकी सुगंध, उसका सौरभ वहीं से उत्पन्न होता है। आओ आज मैं तुम्हीं से मिलाती हूँ। जीवन की आपाधापी में सब कुछ भूल गए हो। आज मैं तुम्हें उन पलों को देना चाहती हूँ। कुछ याद आया? तुमने तो 14 साल मेरे छांव में बिताए हैं। जब पहली बार अपने छोटे छोटे होठों से तुतलाते हुए कहा था, मछली जल की रानी है, जीवन उसका पानी है, ट्विंकल ट्विंकल लिटिल स्टार। जब टिफिन खोल नहीं पाते थे और तुम्हारी अध्यापिका तुम्हें खिला देती थी। याद है प्रार्थना सभा में छात्र प्रतिज्ञा पढ़ना, भारत मेरा देश है। वक्त के साथ बड़े होते गए। फिर कभी कैंटीन में नजर आए तो कभी फुटबॉल के पीछे भागे, कभी कीचड़ में लथपथ होकर कबड्डी खेले और कभी संगीत के कक्ष में नजर आए तो कभी अटल टिंकरिंग लैब में। लक्ष्य के बिना जीवन दिशाहीन और व्यर्थ है। याद है इसी स्टेज पर जहां मैं खड़ी हूँ, तुमने कितनी शरारतें की हैं, कितनी नादानियां की हैं। कभी नृत्य से भाव विभोर किया तो कभी संगीत की तान से दिल को छुआ, कभी 100% अंक लाए तो कभी राष्ट्रीय मंच पर मेरा नाम रोशन किया। जीवन का सच्चा सार स्वावलंबन से प्राप्त होता है और सपनों के स्वर धड़कन में। मैंने ही तुम्हें सिखाया त्रिपु नैव कर्तव्यः विद्यायाम जप दानवो। चाणक्य का ये श्लोक अर्थात 3 चीजों में कभी कंजूसी मत करना, विद्या, जप और दान। आज मैं निसंकोच दुनिया से कह सकती हूँ, देखो मेरे आंचल में वो हीरे मोती हैं जो अपना वैभव फैला रहे हैं। कोई डॉक्टर है, कोई इंजीनियर, कोई आईएएस, कोई अध्यापक, कोई समाज सेवी, कोई फिल्म डायरेक्टर, कोई क्रिकेटर, कोई संगीतज्ञ। इतना ही नहीं, मेरे ही दामन के मोती सरहद पर शान से खड़ा है। मैंने जो संस्कार सिखाए, शुद्ध सात्विक आचरण और सुचिता का पाठ सिखाया, उनमें प्रेम, दया, आत्मीयता की गंगा बहाई, वसुधैव कुटुंबकम की बात सिखाई। नवीन दृष्टि का नया विधान तुम्ही ने रचा। एनटीएससी, केबीपीवाई, सीबीएसई हेरिटेज क्विज, अंतरराष्ट्रीय ओलंपियाड, जातीय बाल पुरस्कार से जहां मेरी झोली भरी, वहीं राष्ट्रीय शिक्षक पुरस्कार, कंप्यूटर उत्कर्ष पुरस्कार, राजीव गांधी एकता पुरस्कार, इंदिरा गांधी प्रियदर्शिनी पुरस्कार, लाइफ टाइम डॉक्टर एस राधाकृष्णन एक्सीलेंसी पुरस्कार और न जाने कितना कुछ से मेरा दामन भर दिया। रिक्त थी मैं, लेकिन तुम्हारे कदमों ने मुझे चरैवती बनाया। अभिज्ञ थी मैं, लेकिन तुम्हारे हौसलों ने मुझे हंसना सिखाया। जानते हो, तुम समाज के नूर हो, तुम मेरा गरूर हो। जाते जाते हरिवंश राय बच्चन की चंद पंक्तियां सुनाती हूँ। कभी फूलों की तरह मत जीना, जिस दिन खिलोगे बिखर जाओगे। जीना है तो पत्थर बनकर जियो, किसी दिन तरासे गए तो खुदा बन जाओगे। मुझसे मिलने नहीं आओगे। धन्यवाद।
Thank you, Daisy ma'am, for apprising us with the process and product of the school profile in brief. Thank you so much. A positive attitude brings much gratitude. A man of grit and determination, yet grace and grandeur. Yes, now it is my proud privilege to invite our chairman, Shri Sarat Chandra Mishra, to deliver the official welcome to the day's dignitaries. Sri Mishra is an able administrator and a notable writer, a guiding force in all our endeavors. Sir, your astounding and stunning presence is ever reciprocating to regenerate happiness. Sir, please.
Good morning, all of you, on this very auspicious day. Today we are 32 years old, young, quite young man. 32 years means you have overcome, entered the prime phase of your youth. We are happy and proud that His Excellency Professor Ganesh Lal, the Governor of Odisha, has agreed to grace this occasion as chief guest on virtual move. His Excellency is a scholar administrator and, like all of us, is a Devian, had attended DAV schools. His statesman-like conduct of gubernatorial functions and total identification with the problems of people of Odisha has made him a very popular and respected governor. Very few governors of Odisha, save and except of Dr. Ajodhyanath Khosla, has become popular, so popular in the state as the present governor. And incidentally, Dr. Khosla was also an Arya Samajist, like us. We heartily welcome you, Your Excellency, Professor Ganesh Lal, Governor of Odisha. The Arya Samaj was a spiritual, social, and a national movement to rejuvenate our religion and culture and defend it from the criticism of Western scholars who were denigrating the sect. There was a time, lot of Western scholars were writing books on India and only showing our divisive forces and criticizing, saying that India is not a nation. India has no nationality. And Macaulay said, one shelf of Western books is worth all the books that have been written in India from Vedas onwards. That was the time Arya Samaj came to defend our culture and bring it to the notice of the world. Today, the DAV institutions all over India are the flag bearers of the objectives and ethics of Arya Samaj. Today, Arya Samaj is no more very active. If there is anybody who is active, propagating the concept and ethics of Arya Samaj, it is we are the flag bearers of the concept of Arya Samaj. The DAV institutions are a happy combination of Western scientific concept on education and Indian cultural values. That is how we are different from others. We are a happy combination of both. Your alma mater, my alma, I'm not a product, so that I can't say my alma mater, but ours, your alma mater, my good students and my teachers. DAV Public School Chandrasekhar, Tekarpur is a fine example of such an institution. Established in 1989, barely 32 years ago, this young sapling, which started in barely a couple of quarters in this area, has grown into a mammoth institution, producing large number of bright young men and women who have established themselves in more than 100 countries. So today is a day of introspection, searching your heart, looking back. Though in a very old film of Raj Kapoor, there was a very popular song, Mud Mud Ke Na Dekh Mud Mud Ke. But here is an occasion we should see Mud Mud Ke. Look back, look at Madan Mohan Panda, look at B.N. Patnaik, look at Dr. Satpathy, people who worked hard, all the DM who established this. On this auspicious day, we must pay our gratitude and homage to the principal and the teaching staff whose selfless efforts have made it possible. It is now one of the finest schools in the country and one of the best in Eastern India. My young friends who are on virtual seeing this, education is evolving. Today, education is not what it was several years back or several generations back. And the institution has to adapt to the changing ecosystem. Unlike other platforms, DAV Chandrasekharpur, powered by lecture notes, comes with smart analytics, artificial intelligence, power reporting, and intelligent students' growth matrices, which helps improve the school's learning ecosystem, teaching, learning, interaction, and hence better results for all stakeholders. The reason why we are doing better and better every year, doing well, competing well, because we are moving with the times. If you don't move with times, you stay back. Others will go ahead. You have to move with the times, move with the method. My young friends, if you are listening to me, a word for you. When you leave the school, you certainly will go with a certificate. What is more important is that together with the diploma or the certificate which you get, you should have picked up the skills to face the problems of life and the problems of world. Otherwise, you just walk through the campuses, precincts of this school, did not pick up the value system, did not leave a mark, did not make a footprint. You are just one of the large number of people who just came and just walked. But try to leave a print, try to leave a footprint, and try to observe all the value system that the school teaches, which is more important than the degree or diploma which you will carry with you. On this auspicious occasion, I wish further betterment, because if you start in a plateau, you think we have achieved everything, that is your downfall starts. Your downfall starts the day you become complacent, that we have achieved, we have reached the top of the glory. Even if you reach high Everest, you should think of thinking something else, go beyond. I wish further betterment and glory to the school in future, and a better assured future for the students. Thanks to the principal, Dr. Satpathy, and the DAV Chandrasekhar team, which have made all these good things possible, and which I think should improve in future. You may think there is no further scope of improvement. There is scope of improvement always. And only when you think that there is scope of improvement, you can improve. Otherwise, you cannot. I also thank the guardians who stood by us all these years and contributed to the growth of the school. They trusted us with their children, and we have tried to fulfill their trust on us as far as possible. Lastly, and most importantly, thank you, sir, Your Excellency, the Governor of Odisha, Professor Ganeshi Lal, for participating in our function and blessing us. And to you, all of you, let me tell you that famous words of Rukveda, Charevati, Charevati, Aage badho, chalte raho. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Yes, it is a day of self-introspection. It is a day of self-realization, self-analysis too. To reflect back and pick up from the past what we have achieved and what more to achieve. In these days of competency-based education, we are trying to equip our children with the core competencies, with the core skills to prepare them for life. We have miles to go. We are adapting ourselves to the changing times, yet there is no full stop. We need to move on. Sky is the limit. Thank you very much, sir. Music and rhythm find their way into the secret places of the soul. Where words leave off, music begins. Life is one grand sweet song, and so start the music. The school choir, represented by the teachers, is here to express and sing the unsaid words. The song is scripted by none other than Dr. Daisy Rani Mishra and composed by our music teachers, Shri Purnachandra Swai and Shri Rupak Parida. Can we have the chorus?
Ga ma ga ma ma. Ga ma ga ma ga.
re 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 ga ga ma.
Ga ma ga ma ma. Ga ma ga ma ga.
re 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 ga ga ma.
Pa da sa ni sa. Pa da ni pa ni. Sa ni sa ni sa ni pa ni pa pa da pa sa ni pa pa ma.
चलो कोई साज उठाओ, कोई सरगम सब गाओ। चलो कोई साज उठाओ, कोई सरगम सब गाओ। दिलों को दिल से मिलाओ, दिलों को दिल से मिलाओ। प्रेम की तान सुनाओ, प्रेम की तान सुनाओ। चलो कोई साज उठाओ, कोई सरगम सब गाओ। चलो कोई साज उठाओ, कोई सरगम सब गाओ। शुभ दिन है, खुश है सभी, मंत्र ध्वनि श्रुति मधुर लगी।
ओम भूर्भुवः स्वः तस्य वितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्, धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्।
शुभ दिन है, खुश है सभी, मंत्र ध्वनि श्रुति मधुर लगी। आज तो है कुछ बात निराली, आज तो है कुछ बात निराली, आज तो है कुछ बात निराली। चलो कोई साज उठाओ, कोई सरगम सब गाओ। चलो कोई साज उठाओ, कोई सरगम सब गाओ। उत्साह उमंग निरंतर बहता रहे,
उल्लास विजय प्रतिपल
चलता रहे। उत्साह उमंग निरंतर बहता रहे,
उल्लास
विजय प्रतिपल चलता रहे। तुम सबसे है मेरा परिचय, तुम सबसे है मेरा परिचय,
तुम सबसे
है मेरा परिचय। चलो कोई साज उठाओ, कोई सरगम सब गाओ। चलो कोई साज उठाओ, कोई सरगम सब गाओ। दिलों को दिल से मिलाओ, दिलों को दिल से मिलाओ। प्रेम की तान सुनाओ, प्रेम की तान सुनाओ। चलो कोई साज उठाओ, कोई सरगम सब गाओ। चलो कोई साज उठाओ, कोई सरगम सब गाओ।
Let the enthusiasm live. Long live DAV Chandrasekharpur. Thank you, dear teachers. The power of music has made the difference. The truest wisdom is a resolute determination. Knowledge speaks, but wisdom listens. I now invite Sri Madan Mohan Panda, former chairman of our school and the chairman of DAV Public School, Kalinganagar, to bless us with his pearls of wisdom. Sir has always held a hand with an understanding heart. Sir, we would listen to you and your words of encouragement and motivation.
Good morning, all of you. Samastang more. Sneha Namaskar Ranauchi. Today is a special day for this institution. Equally, I wonder what I will speak about, because all the things I thought of speaking have been covered by both the teachers and our Honorable Chairman. Revered Chief Guest, His Excellency the Governor of Odisha, the respected Chairman of the school, esteemed Principal, Regional Officer, esteemed and other dignitaries present. I feel it a rare privilege for me to be here on this occasion. As has already been pointed out, this is the Janmadin, or the birthday. All of you celebrate your birthday with a lot of gala, enjoyment, happiness, jubilation, because once in a year that unique day comes and you remember that you have completed 1 year. Similarly, this day also is an important day for this institution, because this institution has completed 32 years today. As all you know, because you have already been informed, the school was started in 1989 with a handful of students, with very limited facilities in a few rented houses. Nobody had visualized that one day this will grow into a giant like our present institution. Now it boasts of one of the best buildings with excellent infrastructure, providing all the modern facilities for education and helping the students also to develop their ability in co-curricular and extracurricular fields. About the achievements, I need not repeat here. All of you know, this school has a unique record of being one of the best in the state, and probably one of the few excellent schools of the country for its superb academic achievements and stunning co-curricular and extracurricular achievements. Normally, parents expect that whenever they send their ward or child to the school, that the school must provide all the inputs for proper education so that his career is built for a prosperous future, for a prosperous career. That is but natural. But at the same time, one has to remember that every citizen who grows into A well-developed, well-educated, well-placed gentleman in society is not only rated on the basis of his academic, on the basis of his financial status or social position, but also on the basis of his qualities as a human being. Every person has to be a good human being, a good citizen, a responsible citizen. Then only he commands respect of others. So the school has equally a responsibility to ensure that they are able to mold the character and conduct of their children in such a manner that they develop all the traits that go into making a person a good citizen. And I am sure our school has been doing that very well. Already the chairman has said that DAV is spreading the message of Arya Samaj. That is true. And what is DAV? Dayananda Anglo-Vedic. That means we want education, the modern education, whatever is developed in other countries, but at the same time, we do not forego our culture, we do not forget our culture. Our culture is deep rooted in our blood, in our custom, in our habits. Today, you must have seen on this birthday or the foundation day, we performed. I don't think anybody has not seen that. We performed Yajna. Why it is done? Havan. That is Havan. Why it is done? Because that is our Indian culture. We have followed English method of teaching. We have followed the English pattern of teaching. At the same time, we have not given up our deep-rooted culture of following our ancient traditions, and that is why today we have performed Havan. Nowadays, the birthdays are performed with a lot of enjoyment and happiness, and there is a practice of having cake cutting. There is nothing wrong in that, but that is a system borrowed from foreign countries. But we have done here what is ingrained in our mind, in our body, in our blood. We have performed Havan. So this school not only has built a reputation for being one of the excellent schools so far academic performance is concerned, so far its extracurricular and co-curricular achievements are concerned, so far its ability to mold the conduct and character of students are concerned. It is also well known for its traditional methods, which are compatible with modern teaching. Now, blessing definitely the teachers deserve. Whatever it has achieved, the achievement has been possible because of the constant efforts of the principal who has been continuing from 89 till today, the dynamic, hard-working and dedicated principal, duly supported by his dedicated team of teachers. He has been able to carry them with him. A leader cannot carry the subordinates with him unless he is an example for them. So he has been such a brilliant example that all his subordinates have followed him, and they in a group have been able to make this school one of the best in the country. So I convey my best wishes to all the teachers, and the parents also have lent their support, which has made it possible for us to be at this height of achievement. So I also thank the parents and hope we will continue to march ahead with this speed, not only with this speed, but even possible, if possible, to increase our speed of development. Thank you. Jai Hind. Bande Utkal Janani.
Thank you, sir. Rightly said. The ethics and values are embedded in our Vedic tradition, and our children will carry forward this legacy in all their future endeavors. May your blessings be with us eternally. Thanks for the showers of blessings. It will definitely go a long way to strengthen our efforts, our confidence in the future. Thank you so much, sir. Dignity is the ability to stand strong and tall in the face of adversity. Dignity is taking a stand for your beliefs without closing your mind to another opinion. Dignity is being an example by your deeds and through your words. Ever since we all have been associated with the school, I am sure my teacher and student friends will agree with me that our principal sir drapes that dignity which manifests itself in the warmth of his smile, depth of his love, and kindness towards every individual under apparent discipline. With due dignity, I invite the founder principal of this red building to introduce yet another leader of dignity, the renowned educationist and scholar, His Excellency Professor Ganeshi Lal, Honorable Governor of Orissa. Sir, could we have you on stage, please?
Namaskar and heartiest greetings to all of you on the birthday of D.A.V. Chandrasekhar Bhubaneswar. With your permission, I am taking out the mask because nobody is standing nearby me. And we have followed strictly the SMS, social distancing, mask, and sanitization. Hold yourself responsible for a higher standard than anybody else expects except of you. Never excuse yourself. Be a hard master to yourself. Be lenient to everybody else. With this quote, I extend a hearty welcome to all the stakeholders, parents, teachers, management members, students, and all our well-wishers on this auspicious occasion. My gratitude to His Excellency and my special pranam and namaskar to you, sir. On this fourth day of August 89, the school was taken birth. And from that day, our journey is going on. Our joys and jubilations are multiplied with the kind presence of Honorable Governor of Orissa, His Excellency Professor Ganeshi Lal. He is so popular in the state, I don't find any words to welcome him and introduce him on this occasion. My sincere regards and gratitude to the first citizen of the state for his gracious presence virtually and agreed to give us the blessings. Pranam, Revered Sir. I am also elated to have the presence of esteemed dignitaries, Chairman of the school, Mr. Sarath Chandra Mishra, Chairman of D.A.V. Public School, Kalinganagar, Mr. Madhavan Panda, my fellow principal, my colleagues, Ipsita Das, Bipin Kumar Sahu, Namita Mahanti, Madam Musim Das, and other dignitaries, those who have come from different schools. Chairmen of other DAV school, heads of the institution of other CBSE schools of the state, members of the school managing committee and parent teachers coordination committee, valued parents, my colleagues, members of the press, and my dear students. I derive immense privilege and honor to introduce the distinguished chief guest of this momentous occasion, His Excellency Professor Ganesh Lalji, Honorable Governor of Odisha. He is an erudite scholar, a writer par excellence, a visionary educationist, but above all, a teacher by heart. Though it is needless to introduce such an intellectual to the elite audience, I would still like to let my dear students know the multifaceted personality of His Excellency. Professor Lal was born in Sisra, Haryana in 1942, the day when the Quit India movement was started. With a brilliant academic career, he holds a degree in English honors and a postgraduate degree in mathematics. You see, always we the teachers say that who is very good in English and literature and language, he may not be good in science and mathematics. But he is a man who is the best in English and also in mathematics. He is a gold medalist with such a rare combination. He has served as professor in different government colleges in Haryana between 1964 to 1991. He has authored a widely read book, Non-Attached Attachment, a book of Karma Yoga of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. And I want to tell all the students and the teachers, those who are present here, the parents, those who are virtually looking this program, the Bhagavad Gita, every stanza he has remembered, and he can narrate it, explain it so nicely that you will be astonished to know that the governor knows all the things and master on Gita. I'm humbled to have such a noted mathematician, theologian, public orator, and a kind-hearted Samaritan who join us today in this significant day. His generous concern for the holistic development of the state in general and the education in particular is commendable. With this, I extend a hearty welcome to you, sir. And this is a brief introduction I have given for the chief guest of the day, His Excellency Ganesh Lalji. My dear friends, this school stood up with the philosophy Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. And we have grown. Simultaneously, we have seen that other schools have grown with us also. And I remember the day when this started, we started the school here. This school was started. In any school in Odisha, if you go, you will not get a flower pot or a plant or anything else. Greenery was not at all there in many of the schools of Odisha. And we have started, and now you will find in all these schools, lot of green areas are available. So that is the innovation this school has done. And similarly, the result, I remember when it was published, nobody knows what is the result of other school. So I have given a little comparative statement in different newspapers. And after that, all the schools, they marched ahead with a positive competitive mind, how they can give the best to their students and their result will be better than other schools. This school has brought many changes, not in the state, but in Odisha. Because I want to tell, and I'm proud to announce that this DAV school has the ability to cross many milestones in the future journey. And one milestone I am telling you, Raurkela was the capital, academic capital, education capital of the state of Odisha. All the IITians, all the KVPI scholars, all the NTSC scholars, you will get maximum students from Raurkela, they were qualifying. And this school is responsible shifting the Raurkela city achievements to Bhubaneswar city achievements. Lot of changes the school has brought, but still we hope, after me, I think my juniors, my colleagues, junior colleagues, they will try that you have to live and simultaneously you have to see other schools also live peacefully with a positive competitive note. So when I stand on this podium, 32 years we have crossed, completed 32 years. A lot of things which we are not able to do, and my younger generations will try to complete it. Because as if I feel today, standing on this podium, that many things I am not able to do. So many things I would have done in my tenure, and perhaps I failed to complete the unfinished tasks given by the management or the expectations of the parents and the society from us. So we have to go many miles. So on this day, I convey my regards to everybody, those who have helped me in my journey. In my journey means the school journey, and particularly my colleagues, those who are in this campus and in other campus of the DAV. And when Niharika Madam was telling that Arya Samaj founder was Dayanand Saraswati ji, and DAV College Manji Committee is running all the schools, colleges in India. And DAV College Manji Committee is answerable to the Arya Samaj. So, in DAV structure, Arya Samaj is the most powerful wing of education system what they are running in India. So, DAV College Manji Committee has to report everything to the Arya Samaj, and there is a group of people in Delhi selected from different states. They meet quarterly and take a decision. So that is the difference between Arya Samaj and DAV College Manji Committee. DAV College Manji Committee, which is responsible administrative organization which runs the schools and colleges in the country. I'm sure this Foundation Day celebration will be one of its kind for His Excellency's kind presence and words of wisdom for all of us. Reverend Sir, cordially, I invite you to address the audience who are connected with us virtually and eagerly waiting to listen to you. And let me allow to quote two sentences which you have told in many functions. The best book of management available is Mahabharata. This best book written till date in the management is Mahabharata. You see the characters, you see the way it is handled, and the problem is sorted out. And also you have told many times, education is nothing but the journey towards the perfections and to get the excellency in the students. With these two of your very favorite lines, I welcome you to address the audience. Jai Hind, Bande Utkala Janani.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. You are exactly the trendsetter. As you have mentioned, the education hub, which has shifted from Raulkela to Bhubaneswar, we are the eyewitness how the journey moved on. And being a part and parcel of that journey, the Deviants of Bhubaneswar are really grateful to your endeavor. Thank you so much, sir. And I am sure, as mentioned by you, the next generation of educators will keep the spirit alive, and with a true positive competition, they will live and allow others to live. Live and let live is the philosophy. Thank you so much, sir. Great persons are born for the greatest good, for the greatest number. Yes, DAV Chandrasekharpur has rendered 32 years of yeoman's service in a humble way in raising the bar of academics with grace and gratitude. As we commemorate the foundation day of the school, we are euphoric and on cloud 9 by the presence of the head of the state, who himself is an ardent academician. My heart swells with pride to place on record the virtual Foundation Day lecture of the Sanctum Sanctorum by His Excellency Professor Ganeshi Lal, Honorable Governor of Orissa. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, hold your breath to listen to this insightful address. Can we have the address, please?
माननीय प्राचार्य महोदय डॉक्टर के.सी. सप्तपथी जी तथा उनके सभी विद्यालय के सम्माननीय सहयोगी साथी मित्र, आपके 32वें स्थापना दिवस पर मैं हृदय से आपको बधाई प्रेषित करता हूं और उसके साथ साथ सभी का अभिनंदन करता हूं। डीएवी संस्थाओं ने हिंदुस्तान में विशेषकर शिक्षा के क्षेत्र में ऐसे कीर्तिमान स्थापित किए हैं जिसके लिए सभी उनकी प्रशंसा करते हैं, उनका अनुकरण करते हैं और उनको साधुवाद देते हैं। महर्षि दयानंद, भगवान दयानंद जानते थे कि हमको शिक्षा किनको देना है। सत्यार्थ प्रकाश, सत्य को शिक्षा देना है, प्रकाश को शिक्षा देना है। जैसे ऋग्वेद ने कहा कि जितने भी मानव हैं, मानव जाति के लोग हैं, विशेषकर बच्चों के लिए कहा कि यू आर द ब्लूमिंग फ्लावर्स, यू आर द ट्विंकलिंग स्टार्स, यू आर द डिवाइन लाइट विद इन, यू आर द सस्टेनर ऑफ एटर्नल वैल्यूज। आप प्रकाश पुंज के हिस्से हैं। यू आर द डिविनिटीज ऑन द प्लैनेट अर्थ, रादर यू आर द अर्थ प्लैनेट योरसेल्व्स। भृगु संहिता ने कहा कि मानव बच्चा आनंद कोश है। इराविन जो क्वांटम मैकेनिक्स के विशेष साइंटिस्ट, वैज्ञानिक हैं, उन्होंने भी यही कहा, तत्वमसि तत्वमसि तत्वमसि। महर्षि रमन भी अनेक वर्षों की तपस्या के पश्चात ये कहने लगे कि दाउ आर्ट दैट, तुम वही हो, तुम वही हो, तुम वही हो। भगवान कृष्ण ने गीता में कहा, इंद्रियाणि प्राणी आहु इंद्रिय भय परम मनः मनसुता परा बुद्धियो बुद्धे परा तस्तुसा। अर्थात ये जो पिल्ला है, बच्चा है, मनुष्य है, ये भगवान का अंश है। इंद्रियों से बढ़कर, जैसे इंद्रियां डल मैटर से बढ़कर है, माइंड इंद्रियों से बढ़कर है, इंटेलिजेंस मन से बढ़कर है, इंटेलिजेंस से बढ़कर है, लेकिन इंटेलिजेंस से बढ़कर भी सोल है, आत्मा है। सो मैन इज ए सोल इन ए बॉडी, डिविनिटी ऑन अर्थ अंडर मैनी डिस्गाइजेस। महर्षि अरविंद ने सावित्री में लिखा कि द लाइफ यू लीड कंसील्स द लाइट यू आर। आप वास्तव में प्रकाश पुंज के हिस्से हैं। जनक ने जब याज्ञवल्क्य से पूछा कि व्हाट इज द लाइट ऑफ लाइफ, तो याज्ञवल्क्य ने यही जवाब दिया कि सेल्फ इज द लाइट, तुम ही प्रकाश हो। तो महर्षि दयानंद इस बात को जानते थे, इसलिए शिक्षा का सीधा सीधा उद्देश्य हो गया कि मी टू मी। डीएवी इंस्टीट्यूशंस इस दिशा में बहुत अग्रसर हैं। वह मुझको मेरी मुलाकात से कर देते हैं। इसलिए शिक्षा का मतलब योग हो गया। योग का मतलब है मिलन, आत्मा का परमात्मा से, सोल का सुपर सोल के साथ मिलन। इसी को हमने कहा कि शिक्षा है। वह शिक्षा उसी को हम कहेंगे जो डिवाइन की तरफ हमको ले जाए, जो गॉड की तरफ हमको ले जाए, जो परफेक्शन की तरफ हमको ले जाए। परमात्मा का परिचय भी यही कहते हैं सब लोग कि परमात्मा परफेक्शन है। ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेव अवशिष्यते। इसी को कहा कि भगवान के पूर्ण में से पूर्ण निकलना और फिर भी पूर्ण बचा रहना, ऐसा या तो माता है या भगवान है। तो इसलिए भगवान को पूर्ण माना गया, परफेक्शन माना गया। महर्षि विवेकानंद ने भी तो यही कहा कि एजुकेशन इज द मैनिफेस्टेशन और परफेक्शन ऑलरेडी इन मैन। मनुष्य में जो पहले से ही पूर्णता विद्यमान है उसको सरफेस पर लाना, धरातल पर लाना, यही शिक्षा का काम है। इसलिए महर्षि दयानंद ने, भगवान दयानंद ने इस बात को किया कि योग करना चाहिए हर विद्यालय के अंदर। योग का मतलब सीधा सीधा है कि आत्मा का परमात्मा से मिलन, ह्यूमन कॉन्शियसनेस का मर्जिंग इनटू द कॉस्मिक कॉन्शियसनेस, उसी को हमने शिक्षा कहा। उसी को हमने कहा कि भगवान का साक्षात्कार मनुष्य कर सकता है, शिक्षा के माध्यम से कर सकता है। इसी तरह से, लेकिन उसको उपाय क्या है? शिक्षा के इस मंजर का उपाय क्या है कि भगवान से साक्षात्कार कर सके। ये तो बात सच हो गई कि हमको परमात्मा से मिलना है, सोल को सुपर सोल के साथ मिलना है। उसके लिए योग की पद्धति भी कहा गया। इसी को अखंडानंद ने ईगो सेंटरिज्म टू जियो सेंटरिज्म कहा। इसी को ओशो ने सेंस ग्रेटिफिकेशन टू सेल्फ रियलाइजेशन कहा। किसी ने योगी कहा, किसी ने सेल्फ रियलाइज्ड सोल कहा, किसी ने ट्रांसेंडेंटलिस्ट कहा। लेकिन महर्षि दयानंद ने डिवाइन इंस्टीट्यूशंस के माध्यम से कहा कि यज्ञ के माध्यम से हम योग की तरफ जा सकते हैं और भगवान का साक्षात्कार कर सकते हैं। यज्ञ क्या है? तो भगवान कृष्ण ने 3 अध्याय में अनेक श्लोकों के माध्यम से कहा है कि यज्ञ है कर्म समुद्भव है। यज्ञ सैक्रिफाइस, इट इज बॉर्न आउट ऑफ प्रेस्क्राइब्ड ड्यूटीज। जो आदमी की निश्चित ड्यूटियां हैं, जो भगवान ने उसको निश्चित कर्तव्य करने के लिए कहा गया है, जो स्वधर्म जिसको कहा गया है, उसके पालन करने को ही यज्ञ कहते हैं। स्वधर्म का अर्थ है ऐसे कर्म, कर्म यज्ञ अर्थात स्वार्थ रहित, ममता रहित, वैमनस्य रहित, स्पर्धा रहित, ऐसे कर्म करना ही कर्म यज्ञ है। और इस यज्ञ के करने से हम योग की तरफ चल सकते हैं। कर्म यज्ञ का मतलब सीधा सीधा है रिनाउंसिंग। कर्म यज्ञ का सीधा सीधा मतलब है एब्स्टेनिंग। कर्म यज्ञ का सीधा सीधा मतलब है एब्निगेटिंग। कर्म स्वधर्म का मतलब सीधा सीधा है, कर्म यज्ञ का मतलब सीधा सीधा है कि आप सत्य की तरफ जाएंगे, प्रकाश की तरफ जाएंगे, आनंद की तरफ जाएंगे। जैसे कि भृगु संहिता में कहा कि मनुष्य आनंद कोश है, अर्थात आप सत्य चित्त आनंद की तरफ जा सकते हैं। शर्त इतना ही है कि आप यज्ञ को फॉलो करें। भगवान कृष्ण ने कहा कि तस्मात् सर्वगतम ब्रह्म नित्यम यज्ञ प्रतिष्ठितम। The all-pervading transcendence is saturated, eternally saturated in the acts of sacrifice. यज्ञ में भगवान 24 घंटे उपस्थित रहते हैं। यज्ञ is nothing else but performing prescribed duties, and performing prescribed duty is nothing else but perfection, and perfection is nothing else but God. तो यज्ञ एक माध्यम बनाया गया कि योग की तरफ जाइए। यज्ञ योग की तरफ ले जाता है, परमात्मा की तरफ ले जाता है। जितनी भी शिक्षाएं आजकल दी जा रही हैं यूनिवर्सिटीज के अंदर, कॉलेजेस के अंदर, ये मुझे कहने में संकोच नहीं है कि ये जितनी शिक्षा जगत के अंदर शिक्षा दी जा रही है वह कैरियर ओरिएंटेड है, कैरेक्टर ओरिएंटेड नहीं है। कैपेसिटी देते हैं, कैपेबिलिटी देते हैं, पर कंडक्ट की चिंता नहीं करते हैं। हर पिल्ले का, हर बच्चे का, हर मनुष्य का अपना एक संविधान है और उसी संविधान का नाम कैरेक्टर है, चरित्र है। उसमें से एनी हाउ शब्द कट जाना चाहिए। मुझे किसी भी तरीके से सफल होना है, किसी भी तरीके से अमीर बनना है, किसी भी तरीके से मुझे ये चीज प्राप्त करनी है, ये एनी हाउ शब्द कट जाना चाहिए। इसी को कैरेक्टर हम कहते हैं। तो इसलिए भगवान कृष्ण ने कहा कि जो सीधा सीधा शिक्षा का मतलब है वो सीधा सीधा मतलब ये होना चाहिए, एजुकेशन शुड बी रिसरेक्शन, इट शुड बी रिजुविनेशन, इट शुड बी रेनेसांस। ये आदमी को आदमी से मिला दे, आदमी को दूसरे आदमी में अंतर न समझने दे। ये हम एक दूसरे से जुड़े हुए हैं, इंटरडिपेंडेंट हैं, इंटर रिलेटेड हैं, इंटरकनेक्टेड हैं, इंटरवोवन हैं। हम सभी, वी आर एंजल्स विद वन विंग, वी कैन फ्लाई एज हाई एज वी लाइक प्रोवाइडेड वी एम्ब्रेस ईच अदर। दैट इज व्हाट ज्ञान इज, दैट इज व्हाट यज्ञ इज। इसलिए भगवान कृष्ण ने कहा कि डिसॉल्व योर सेल्फ कंप्लीटली इन द सर्विस ऑफ अदर्स। यू एग्जिस्ट ओनली इन द सर्विस ऑफ द डिवाइन, बिकॉज you exist only through the divine. Therefore you should exist only for the divine, in the service of divine, and by becoming the divine. So dissolve yourself completely for the savor, for the welfare of the others, for the betterment of the others, for the service of the others. भगवान कृष्ण ने गीता के अंदर 2 बार सर्वभूत हिते रता शब्द का प्रयोग इस्तेमाल किया है कि सब प्राणियों की रक्षा के लिए, सब प्राणियों के कल्याण के लिए, सब प्राणियों के हित के लिए मैं इस धरती पर हूं, एंड दैट इज द वे टू फाइंड द डिवाइन। इसी को चैतन्य महाप्रभु ने सुंदर शब्दों में कहा कि भगवान कृष्ण को प्रेयसी बना लीजिए, प्रेमिका बना लीजिए, अर्थात कर्म को अकर्म बना लीजिए, कर्म को कर्म यज्ञ बना लीजिए। यज्ञ के माध्यम से ही हम शिक्षा के उच्चतम शिखर को प्राप्त कर सकते हैं। आज हम ये मुकाबला कर सकते हैं विश्व के अंदर कि हमारी यूनिवर्सिटी पूरे के पूरी जितनी यूनिवर्सिटीज वर्ल्ड में है उसमें टॉप नंबर 1 पर आ जाए, लेकिन उस शिक्षा का कोई फायदा नहीं होगा जिस शिक्षा के अंदर केवल टेक्नोलॉजी हो। टेक्नोलॉजी तो मकड़ी का जाला है जो स्वयं से सुंदर से बनाती है, फिर खुद ही खा जाती है उसको और खुद भी समाप्त हो जाती है। लेकिन हमको वो शिक्षा चाहिए जो सनराइज टेक्नोलॉजी को बढ़ावा देती है, जिसमें भगवान सूर्य के उदय होने के साथ साथ शीतलता का भी जिसमें अनुभव होता है, वह सनराइज टेक्नोलॉजी चाहिए। इसी यज्ञ की स्पिरिट को, भावना को देश के माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी ने एक शब्द में कहा कि लेट अस मूव इनटू द वर्ल्ड विद ए फ्लावर पॉट इन आवर हैंड्स। आइए हम अपने सभी हाथों में लेकर एक गुलदस्ता, फूलों से भरा हुआ गुलदस्ता लेकर चलें, विच विल बी एमिटिंग फ्रेग्रेंस टू द डव, टू द ड्रैगन्स, to the dead and to the living, to the believers and to the non-believers। शव को भी सुगंध देगा, शिव को भी सुगंध देगा। इस प्रकार का गुलदस्ता लेकर हम दुनिया में चलें। शिक्षा का माध्यम जो है, शिक्षा का जो तरीका है, शिक्षा का जो वे है, आजकल जो चल रहा है उसमें थोड़ा सा परिवर्तन करने की जरूरत है कि फिजिक्स के साथ मेटाफिजिक्स चाहिए, इनोवेशन के साथ इनर एवोल्यूशन चाहिए। माना टेक्नोलॉजी में अर्जुन बहुत एक्सपर्ट है, पर रथ की बागडोर जो है वह तो भगवान कृष्ण के हाथों में ही होना चाहिए। किस दिशा में रथ को जाना है इसका फैसला करने का अधिकार भगवान कृष्ण को दीजिए। अंतर पड़ा कि कृष्ण को दिशा देने वाले, अर्जुन को दिशा देने वाले भगवान कृष्ण थे और दुर्योधन को दिशा देने वाला शकुनी था। तो हम परिणाम देख सकते हैं किस प्रकार का बनेगा। तो इस प्रकार से भारत की शिक्षा के अंदर जो इस समय बातें चल रही हैं उसमें डीएवी इंस्टीट्यूशंस ने नए नए कीर्तिमान स्थापित किए हैं, नए नए अनुभव स्थापित किए हैं। और मुझे लगता है कि जिस शिक्षा के मंतव्य को लेकर महर्षि दयानंद, भगवान दयानंद ने जो प्रारंभ किया था, आज उसी के कारण डीएवी इंस्टीट्यूशंस का एक बहुत बड़ा नाम है। मैं इसी फाउंडेशन डे पर, इस स्थापना दिवस के ऊपर, जो वास्तव में बच्चों के भविष्य को, बच्चों के अंदर संस्कारों को जो स्थापित कर रहा है, उसके लिए मैं उनका अभिनंदन करता हूं, बधाई देता हूं, साधुवाद देता हूं। और आपको इस फाउंडेशन डे पर, स्थापना दिवस पर, आपके उत्कर्ष के लिए, आपके बहुत ऊंचे, जिसको जेनिथ ऑफ ग्लोरी कह सकते हैं, जेनिथ ऑफ एक्सीलेंस कह सकते हैं, जेनिथ ऑफ ब्रिलियंस कह सकते हैं, जेनिथ ऑफ एमिनेंस कह सकते हैं, उसके लिए मैं भगवान जगन्नाथ से प्रार्थना करता हूं कि आप अपने इस फाउंडेशन डे के ऊपर ये विचार अवश्य करेंगे कि हमने हिंदुस्तान के बच्चों में जिस प्रकार के संस्कारों को उत्पन्न करने का प्रयास किया है अपने इंस्टीट्यूशंस के माध्यम से, उसमें और उत्कर्ष लाने का प्रयास करेंगे। इसी प्रार्थना के साथ आप सबको नमस्कार। जय हिंद, वंदे उत्कल जननी, भारत माता की जय।
Thank you, His Excellency, Honorable Governor of Odisha. Well, children, you are the blooming flowers, you are the twinkling stars, you are the divine light within, you are the divinity on the planet Earth. Rather, you are the earth planet itself. Yes, child is a part of that divinity, divinity on earth under disguise. Discover the divinity in you. Yogic exercises transcends us to an exotic moment. Education is a unity with God that leads towards perfection, and our schools are the epitome of these quality dynamics. Thank you so much, sir. Service to mankind is service to God, and we are deeply gratified with your pearls of scholarly wisdom. Self-realization, self-evaluation is the key to humanity and happiness. Dear children, you are the artist of your own life. Kindly don't hand over your paintbrush to anybody else. Adopt to the rule of sunrise technology. With innovation, adopt self-evolution. His Excellency admires Odisha as a land of beauty, love and peace. Sensitivity and smile of its people are the ornaments which is totally holistic and inclusive. Let the spirit of our soil never get defeated. Definitely, small changes can make a big difference. Thank you, sir, for your blessings and wishes for a bright future for all the DAV institutions. Team DAV Chandrasekharpur wishes and prays for your good health and happiness forever. My head bows with humility and gratitude for being a part of our celebration. Thank you so much. The persisting pandemic has been persuading us to live with it. And it is not surprising that, given the precarious and uncertain length of time, it has revolutionized the mechanism and the machinery of lifestyle. Responding to the clarion call by the Chief Minister of Odisha, Shri Naveen Patnaik, people of all sections of the society sang in unison Bande Utkala Janani to express gratitude to the Corona warriors as a gesture of solidarity. This public initiative brought us together in the fight against the pandemic. It is indeed a moment of elation to find the Honorable Governor of Odisha joining us in this endeavor from his office. So, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, let us listen to this rendition amidst this virtual reality.
वन्दे उत्कल जननी वन्दे उत्कल जननी
वन्दे उत्कल जननी वन्दे उत्कल जननी वन्दे उत्कल जननी
चारुहासमय चारुभासमय
चारुहासमय चारुभासमय जननी जननी जननी
वन्दे उत्कल जननी पूतपयोधि विधौत शरीर
कालतमाल सुशोभित तीर
सुभ्रतटिनि कुल शिखर समीर
जननी जननी जननी.
Thank you. Please be seated. My memories go down the lane and I turn emotional when I stepped into this world of information and knowledge. The journey of 1,000 miles began with a single step on the very day of 1989 of August 4th. Now, let us join virtually the dance drama named Abhula Gitise Marama Bhedi to discover and capture those moments and memories of the unforgettable past. Meticulously scripted by Dr. Debendra Pati and directed by Mr. Debabrat Das and Mrs. Rashmita Rajnandini, and composed by Mr. Purnachandra Swai and Mr. Rupak Parida. Let us escape to the world of past through this dance drama.
फेरी जाता समय की पछकू पछकू मन भरी देखुतांती ओ पिला बेड़ाकू ओ पिला बेड़ाकू महु मखा दिन सबु लेउटानी आसी भिजाई दियंता सते स्मृति रे बरसी स्मृति रे बरसी नथिला गरब बेसी नथिला संताप नथिला बरसा बेसी नथिला तप मन पक्षी उडुथिला नील गगन रे आखि पता भारी भारी मिठा सपन रे मिठा सपन रे चोरी हुए ताकू बेसी सते स्मृति रे बरसी सते स्मृति रे बरसी सते स्मृति रे बरसी सते स्मृति रे बरसी
Ding, da da, ding, da da, ding,
महासिंधु टोपा टोपा जल बिंदु निशि महासिंधु चुना चुना तारा फुले हसुथाए इंदु चुना चुना तारा फुले हसुथाए इंदु দৈব গঢ়িলা সুখৰ নৰ সপন বণিক আছে কৰিলা বিভোৰ সফলতা ধৰা দেলা হাত পাহান্তারে সৌরভ চহটিলা দেশ বিদেশরে দেখাইলা জীবন পথরে ত্যাগতি দীক্ষারে ভিজে কর্ণধার কর্ণ মন্ত্র দেউথিলে সদা যন্ত্রী মুখ্য কর্ম বীর সাজিলে পুরোধা
সঙ্গে থিলে শিক্ষা গুরু ভগীরথ সাথে দেখাইলে নূয়া দিশা অপূর্ব মরাতে
ভলপণ খোঁজি খোঁজি গড়ি দেলে কীর্তিরাজি আদর্শ পণরে মজি আদর্শ পণরে মজি চন্দনা তুমি জোছনা মধুর রাগিণী মুছনা স্বপ্ন না তুমি সর্জনা হৃদয় বেদীর অর্চনা तुमे फूल तुमे बासना परिपूर्ण मनस्कामना चंदना तुमे जोछना सही न पथ तुमे देवालय तुमे मंत्र पाठ तुमे अनिर्वाण सहस्र दीपर शिखा तुम बदन कोटि मानसरे लेखा जन्मदिने ही वंदन परिपूर्ण मनस्कामना
That was emotional indeed. Self-explanatory to summarize the significance of the day. Thank you, teachers. Thank you for taking us through the unforgettable past. I'm really elated. I'm really elated to express my gratitude to the lady behind this show. Madam Anila Patnaik was the brainchild of this dance drama. So from all of us, a big thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much for reviving the past. Children, you can't climb the ladder of success with your hands in the pocket. That is what we have been trying to bring here to this platform. Success can only be tasted out of strong determination, continuous hard work, and proper execution of plans. Let the younger generation, including the teachers and students, acquire these skills of hard work, perseverance, and determination, and move along to keep the success story of this institution alive. As we draw a close to the official proceedings of the day, now may I request Madam Indira Bhattacharya, the academic coordinator of the school, to propose the vote of thanks. Ma'am.
A very good morning to the August gathering. I deem it my pleasure and pride to propose the vote of thanks to all the esteemed dignitaries who are today with us, both online and offline, in the momentous occasion of the Foundation Day of our school. In the very beginning, I express my sincere gratitude to the chief guest of the day, His Excellency, Honorable Governor of Odisha, Professor Ganesh Lal, for his inspiring address to the deviants of Chandrasekharpur. Sir, your valuable words of wisdom will definitely open their minds to remain calm and to face all challenges in life. Your understanding of the Vedas gave us a new perspective on the concept of spirituality. Sir, your words shall linger and echo in the confinements of this red building with grace and gratitude. I sincerely thank you once again for accepting our invitation and inspiring the young minds. Thank you, sir. I extend a warm and sincere gratitude to Sri Sadat Chandra Mishra, esteemed chairman of our school, for his charismatic presence and blessings in all our endeavors. It is needless to mention, sir has been a source of inspiration and guidance throughout. Sir, I thank you from the core of my heart. I sincerely express my heartiest gratitude to Sri Madan Mohan Panda, former chairman of a school and chairman of DV Public School Kalinganagar, Jajpur and Puri. Sir, we are always blessed to have you as our mentor in all spheres of work. I thank you sir, with all humility. I also express my heartfelt gratitude to Mr. Arun Kumar Ratha, IAS Chairman, DAV Bokudipur, and Mr. Vijay Kumar Patnaik, IAS Chairman, DAV Unit 8, for their valuable presence online in our all endeavors. How can I forget our esteemed principal, sir, Dr. K.C. Satpathy, who is the mastermind of all our actions, whatever we perform here inside the school campus. Sir, from core of my heart, I cannot thank you. It is my gratitude and deep regards for you to be with us in all our actions. Thank you, sir. I extend my heartfelt thanks to the all members of the school managing committee and parent teachers coordination committee present virtually with us for their guidance and support. I want to take this opportunity to thank all the revered principals, head of the institutions of DAV Public School across Odisha and Zone 1 for your unconditional faith, trust, and concern for us. Thank you, sir and madam. I also thank the other from different schools of Sahoday Complex for their benign presence to grace the occasion. Thank you once again. I duly acknowledge the efforts of the teachers and staff of the school to make all our events and this event and program a grand success. Students, you are the soul of this institution. Without you, none of our events have any meaning. Thank you for remaining present and watching the program and making it a successful one. It's my duty to acknowledge and appreciate the presence of all the proud parents on this virtual platform, and I salute your support in all our endeavors. Thank you, all the parents. I convey my thanks to the members of press, both electronic and print media, for their support in making us reach out to the people. Last but not the least, I thank each and everyone who have been directly or indirectly involved to make this program a successful one. Thank you, one and all. Jai Hind, Bande Utkala Janani.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. I request everybody to stand in position for the national anthem. National anthem begins.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तब जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
Thank you, everybody. Namaskar.